Welcome. Today, I'll show you how to set a custom gender on the Pinterest mobile app, updated for 2025. Whether you're new to Pinterest or just want your profile to better reflect your identity, these steps will help you personalize your account in just a few minutes. First, open the Pinterest app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged in so you can access your account settings. Next, head to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for your profile picture at the top and tap it. This will open up more options related to your account. Now, find and tap on Account Management. This section is where you'll find all the key settings for your Pinterest account. Within Account Management, tap on Personal Information. Here, you'll see details like your email, birthday, and, importantly, your gender settings. Tap on Gender. Pinterest gives you a few options here: male, female, or custom. To set a custom gender, select the Custom option. A new field will appear where you can type in your preferred gender. Pinterest lets you enter any term that best represents you, and you can even add an emoji if you'd like. This update is part of Pinterest's ongoing effort to make the platform more inclusive for everyone, no matter how you identify. Once you've entered your custom gender, simply save your changes. Your profile is now updated, and you can feel confident knowing your Pinterest account reflects who you are. That's it. Setting a custom gender on Pinterest is quick and easy. If you ever want to update it again, just follow these same steps. Thanks for tuning in, and enjoy making Pinterest your own.